Martin, who's an heavy metal painter, and this is one of the ones I've been working on. I haven't finished it yet, just blocked it out, but I really like this color scheme. It's just very easy and you can create bulk paintings like of squads like really quickly and get army assembled. But at the moment I'm just painting a squad, so I've got an example here which I've just airbrushed using lead belcher, and give it a gloss varnish and let it dry. And now I'm just going to add some nun oil to wash it, just give it a wash, just to show you how easy this is. So I'm just working over the whole model, and it's literally that easy. Just painting over the gloss, does all the work for you. Goes off the raised areas and goes into the crevices. You don't have to really worry. It's a very simple painting scheme, but it's very effective. Makes your models look really nice. Bringing out all that detail. Just load it on, give it a generous amount. But this stuff will just flow, go everywhere. See how it's going off even here, just going off the surfaces. I'll show you an example of a dried one. This one is more or less covered. Yeah, it's too much, you can always just go in with a dry brush and get it out. It's flooding a lot of the detail, but it should be alright. Shoulders you don't have to worry about. I mean, you can, why not? You're going to be painting that blue or whatever colour you wish to, but more or less that's how quickly, within what, a couple of minutes, you let that dry, and then you get something like this. This is partially done, I'm still doing it, but as you can see it's gone everywhere, and it's just that, so simple to get that. All you use is base coat, lead belcher, nun oil, gloss. Make sure you gloss it first after you've done a lead belch, and then bring it back to matte and get it like this. So yeah, I'll be working on that a bit more, the model, and I'll be bringing some more videos out. But in the meantime, if you want a free painting guide ebook, just subscribe below in the description and sign up, and I'll show you how to get to tabletop standard quickly like this. You can paint like this at a quick pace to get your armies ready, looking at a good standard. Okay, I'll see you next time. Happy painting.